Hey everybody, this is Bill. And just so you know, this is reality. Today, I'm going to show you my new hairdo for my haircuts. The original trade that I took was here on the 2 o'clock HLB signal bar. I went short, and then I got stopped out for a 6-tick gloss at the high of this bar on the very next bar. I then immediately turned it around and went long, and it looked really good until this spout bar started to fire off, and I got stopped out again for 7 ticks loss. So I ended up with what is that, 13-tick, a 13-tick haircut, and pretty much went back to sleep. In the heat of battle, sometimes you don't see setups that are right in front of your face. One of the setups that you could have taken here, this would have been an aggressive play. Would have been where this spout crossed the HLB line and pierced the low of the original HLB signal bar. You could take that short. I call that an aggressive setup because they don't always work out. They're not as reliable. As you can see, if you had done that and put your stop a couple ticks above the HLB line, if you had used the HLB line as your stop, you would have got stopped out here. If you would have done trailing stops, I think you probably would have been okay on that trade. Maybe you got stopped out. The last trade that's valid here is right here, but I missed it. I was taking my son to school. I didn't get back until it was too late to get into this, so I'm just watching it right now. But a new HLB line formed here at what is it? Hard to see because we got a lot of overlaying. It just happened to coincide with the low of the day. Yeah, 3061. I actually drew the line 1 tick off here a little bit. And what happened was, we drew the line at the low of the HLB signal bar. 1 bar painted, it was an inside bar, and then a 2nd bar painted, that was also an inside bar. Price action is above the HLB line, so we're looking for a long, and here was your opportunity to go long right here at the high of this bar, which was 30.79, and right now so far it's working out. Your options would be on this to either put your stop just below the HLB bar here, but that's pretty far. That's about, let's see, the high here is 79.61, so that's almost 20 points. I probably wouldn't have done that. I probably would have trailed the lows here. So right now, if I was in this trade, I would have my stop here at the low, which is 30.69, and then as soon as this bar finishes painting, I would move my stop up to here at the low, which is 30.88. That would protect some of my profits already. So, we'll see how that plays out at the balance of the day, or you guys can watch it as well. But that's how the day worked out for me. So I am sporting a new hairdo, and you know what? It happens. You don't make money every single day, and the idea then is to try to keep your losses to a minimum. Okay? Hope that helped. Hope you learned something. I'll be back at you tomorrow. Bye.